Hi everyone, it's Deja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to have you join me. Today I am going to unbox and reveal the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar of 2024. Just a quick spoiler alert, I will be opening up all of the surprises inside, so if you don't want to know what's inside, please come back and watch this video at another time. Otherwise, keep on watching. There are 24 crafty little surprises inside full of dies, stamps, embossing folders, stencils, and embellishments. They do show a little sneak peek of what's inside with this picture. Let's go ahead and open this up. The idea of an advent calendar is to wait until December 1st and open up one surprise at a time all the way up to December 24th. Well, I'm too excited and I am impatient for that, so that's why I'm making this video. Each day is marked by a number, and all you have to do is open up the little door or window or flap or whatever you want to call it to reveal the surprise. Behind the little door is an image of what you're getting. I did not show this in the initial unboxing part, but I will pop up the image in the video. Day 1 is a hot air balloon die set with a hello sentiment. It's super cute. As you can see, these dies are really tiny, which is why I'm placing them on a piece of paper to show you how they look like. It definitely is easy to lose them, so I suggest grabbing some Ziploc bags to organize them. Alright, I'm going to open up the rest and just play music in the background instead of talking, so enjoy! We are all done with unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love making cards, scrapbooking, or junk journaling, I think you'll love this Crafty Advent Calendar. There are so many dies in this one. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos.